All right, this is my test video for my new workshop, Take 21. You all know I'm passionate about stress management and how to beat stress on a daily basis and just improve your life for the better, which is what improvement is, but just how to beat stress every day, no matter what comes at you. So my new workshop, Take 21, is based around creating a new habit, which I know can be overwhelming, scary. You don't know where to start, you're changing something, you're not comfortable with it. 21 days, 21 consecutive days can feel like an awfully long time when you don't even know how to take the first step. So this workshop is all about breaking down how to start a new habit, how to continue it for 21 days, how to stay energized and inspired, and even if it's in something that doesn't work for you, what else can you try? So not only is this a 21-day workshop, it's also offering you 21 different ideas that you can then pick and choose your favorites and go and run with and do your own 21 days with that specific habit or habits. Creating a change is always scary, and you want to take it from, and it can be difficult, and you want to take it from being something that you do one time that maybe feels great but you don't know how to continue, to something that you can do every single day for the rest of your life on repeat without thinking about it. And the first step is just picking a habit, first of all. So this list of 21 habits will help out with that, and then how to do it for 21 days, and then how to take it from 21 days and beyond. And so, yeah, Take 21, that's this workshop.